Hello everybody. Here is another video of Penny and her two babies, her two males. They're growing rapidly, as you can see. Still nursing away on Penny when she lets them. She is definitely starting to wean them off. I'm going to start solids this week. It's time. They're almost 4 weeks old, so can't wait any longer. Hey, Penny? But everyone's thriving. They're starting to play with each other, turning into little puppies. Hey? Little barks, the whole 9 yards. Hey, Penny? Here we go. They're getting it while they can, which doesn't happen very often anymore. Still cleans them, does everything for them, but feeding them definitely a lot less. So that's why we're going to start solids. It's going to be a very watered down kibble soaked in water. Very liquidy in the beginning for a few days, and then eventually in the next few weeks it'll be completely dry solid kibble. Penny, Penny, Penny. Looking out the window. Try and get them close. This is typical at this stage with them nursing, with her standing. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed this week's video. They're getting far more mobile. Penny's going to go back to her family next week already. After 5 weeks, they're totally weaned. Oh, okay, she's decided to lie down again. Whoop. Try and get in here. Take an extra long video. Okay, bye-bye.